Sesotho and welcome back to my channel.
Please remember to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends.
Today's video is about pronunciation. A lot of people find Sesotho words very challenging to pronounce.
Let's get started!
G. N-G. That is pronounced Now that's very easy because it is also found in the English language, right? And then there is the TJ. The TJ is pronounced like ncha, which means dog. Ncha, dog. When the TJ has an H after it, that's pronounced ch, ch. The first one is ch, ch. Now the TJH is pronounced ch, ch, chelete.
And then comes the TS.
And that is pronounced th. Now when the TS has an H following it, it means that you have to breathe it out like th, on, to. Okay, and then we have the SH, which is pronounced the same way as it is in English. Sh, sh. Sishweshwe. A sishweshwe is a traditional Sotho dress worn by married women. Sishweshwe. There's also another word that I like, shweshwe, which means a beautiful flower. Then you have the NGW. This one is pronounced mwa, 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 like mwi, mwi, one. Then we have a KG. This makes the sound almost like you're snoring. You know, like when you're snoring, like KG. Hwedi, which means month. Hwedi. Hwele, string. Hwele, string. Hwele actually also covers the next one I was about to talk about, which is the KGW. Hwele. So the KG is a k, then when it's followed by the W, the letter W, it makes the sound. Okay, and then we have the Q letter. The letter Q is pronounced, it makes a click sound. An example would be so in the Free State province we have a place called Kwatwa. Most people call it Kwahabedi, which means two Kwas. The Q is pronounced that makes that sound, and when you combine the and the W, it makes the kwa, kwa, kwa. So it's kwa, kwa. That might be a little difficult to pronounce, but with a lot of practice, you'll be able to get it. Kwa, kwa. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sesotho. And until next time, salang handle.